So hey folks, welcome back to another balloon tutorials. So in today's video is a bit special and we're making a balloon turtle. Yeah, a balloon turtle. So without further ado, let's get started. Yeah, exactly. So first, make the head. And then you would want to make the shell, which is about like this. And there! You've got your turtle head and the turtle shell. And now we're going to make the feet of the turtle. Let's see.
It's the head of the turtle.
You can say hand, you can say feet, whatever. And then you've got your turtle's head, the feet, and the shell. And you want to use the rest of the balloon. And let's see. Wait a moment. And you want your balloon to go upwards like this. And put it downwards, just the hard bit. So make it pop. And then squeeze the legs. And then you want to like wrap it up and take it out. And there you have your turtle. Now let's get some drawing, should we?
Is this his tail of blue hair?
Who cares? It's just a little bit blue tap problems. So now take out a marker. I'll use Sharpie this time. And then you could draw the turtle's eyes. And then you've got yourself
Mouth.
Now maybe I will draw the mouth. Focusing. Yes, you've got yourself a little turtle. Cute, isn't it? A very easy cartoon turtle. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, remember to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel so you can follow us the latest move. Have a turtly awesome day.